This video is going to show you how to view user progress in D2L 10.3. User progress is an area of D2L where you can see exactly when each student logged into D2L and when they completed the various activities in your course. There are many ways you can get to user progress, but we're going to start off with the Edit Course menu. So click Edit Course, then select View User Progress. This will bring up a snapshot view of student progress in your course. As you can see, I have all the students listed and a snapshot glance at their participation in content, objectives, logins, and grades. However, I can easily view this information in more depth if I want to. For example, if I want to see details about a particular student's logins, I can click here in the logins area. Notice if I move my mouse over it, I can see how many times they've logged in each day. But if I want even more information, I can click in this box, and then it brings up a specific list of all of their logins into the course. By clicking on the 1 sessions or 2 sessions or 3 sessions link, it even tells me exactly what time it was that they logged in. I can also switch to viewing stats about any other area in the course by using the variety of links here on the left-hand side of the screen. Here's a summary, here's information about content they viewed, quizzes this person completed, drop boxes, discussions, etc. One other thing I want to point out is that using this class progress link to go back to the overall class user progress chart, I want to show you how you can change these 4 items that show up in this chart by using the settings link. If I want to change, for example, the objectives completion summary column to something else, I choose replace from the drop-down menu and then click on whichever item I want to switch it to. So in this case, I'm going to switch it to Dropbox performance summary and click save and close. Now you can see Dropbox folders appears here as the second column in my chart. Finally, I want to show you a few of the places throughout D2L that will allow you to access the user progress area. Generally, these are ways you can easily view the progress of a specific student rather than the class as a whole, like we saw previously. First of all, within grades, you can view any student's progress by clicking on the bar graph icon before their name in the gradebook. Next, the discussion board. By going to a discussion board topic and hovering your mouse over a user's icon, you can see a pop-up menu from which you can select the user progress link. Also in the collaboration menu is the class list. From here, you can choose user progress under the drop-down menu for any student whose stats you'd like to view. Finally, we'll look at course content. Within course content, you can see who has viewed any specific item or link in the course by opening up that item, scrolling to the bottom of the screen, and clicking on the completion summary link. Completion summary is a list of who specifically in your course has completed or looked at this item and when they actually did it. Here we also have the user icons again, so I can hover my mouse over that to get to any specific user's user progress.